Hello guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to make an autumn photo effect in Adobe Photoshop. Click here and select channel mixture. Make sure that the output channel is red. Now let's set the value of red to 0. Let's set the value of green to plus 200. Let's set the value of blue to minus 100. Now click here again and select selective color. Make sure that the colors are set to neutrals. Let's set the value of cyan to minus 19. Let's leave the magenta to be 0. Let's set the value of yellow to plus 11. And let's leave the value of black to be 0. Now, we've been able to create an autumn photo effect in Adobe Photoshop. So this is the before and here is the after. Before and after.